Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to add a PKPass file to your Google Wallet. PKPass files are commonly used for tickets, boarding passes, or event passes, and storing them in Google Wallet makes them easy to access. Let's get started. First, open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Next, tap the plus button, usually labeled Add to Wallet. Then, select Passes or Import PKPass, depending on your app version. Now, locate the PKPass file you want to add. This could be in your Downloads, Google Drive, or another folder on your device. After selecting the file, follow the on-screen prompts to import it into Google Wallet. Ensure that all important details, like QR codes or barcodes, are clearly visible. Once added, open your Google Wallet to confirm the PKPass appears correctly and is ready for use when needed. That's it. Your PKPass file is now securely stored in Google Wallet for quick, convenient access. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.